Whirlwinds over water become water spouts. They have phenomenal lifting power. The swirling suction can empty the entire contents of a pond. But what goes up must come down, somewhere. Stories of fish falling from the sky have been told for centuries. Over 600 accounts date from this century alone. Sometimes they fall in a frozen state, suggesting a spell in a storm cloud. Others survive the journey. Besides fish, newts, eels and frogs have all fallen from the sky. Nature is rich in bizarre events that seem to us paranormal. As our understanding grows, it prepares us to expect the unexpected. On our next journey, we explore how the supernatural powers of animals interact with us.